Hi, today we're going to be discussing how to use ChatGPT to create amazing website copy. Website copy is extremely important when it comes to getting conversions, getting your viewers to turn into hopeful customers. And we do this by creating engaging copy or engaging text that resonates with your audience, which helps to build trust and highlights the benefits, making it more likely that they'll convert from visitors to customers. So ChatGPT can really help here because a lot of the time our brains, unless we're a professional marketer and we have the knack for creating content, a lot of the time ChatGPT can really make a huge difference to the output compared to what we could personally do. So here is an example prompt to create a landing page for a small business which offers lawn care services. Include a catchy headline, clear benefits, and a strong call to action. So the catchy headline obviously will help bring the viewer in. The benefits is something very important. Obviously, if the viewer sees benefits and thinks they're going to get benefits from you, they're more than likely to purchase. And a strong call to action, that is something that will, hopefully get out. In this case, what are we doing? Ready to enjoy a stunning lawn? Schedule your free consultation today. So our call of action here is trying to get the viewer to schedule an appointment with us for a free consultation. So you really do want a strong call to action. A free offering is always fantastic, as people love free things and they're more likely to come and click on your site. So we should here have transform your lawns without lifting a finger. Great little title, very catchy. Professional lawn care for a green, hassle-free yard. Benefits. So that as a landing page isn't too bad, but I think I'd rather, can you expand this content a little more? Add a pain point that we can help overcome. So pain points are something very important. When people, so in this case lawns, they might have weeds all through their lawns might not grow, they may be brown and dead. So a pain point would be something that, well, I don't know, well, I mean, it's mentioned pain point here, you obviously wouldn't have that in the content. Tired of battling weeds, brown patch, oh, there you go, perfect. Of an overgrown yard, lawn care can be overwhelming and time consuming, leaving many homeowners frustrated. Our experts take the stress out of lawn maintenance, providing consistent care that leads to vibrant green grass without you lifting a finger. So that there is fantastic. That though should be at the top. I'm unsure why. I guess it's just the format it used, but you want the reader to read that, feel the pain, and see that we're going to help overcome that stress. So that could pretty much be copied and pasted into your website, and you can then promote it, advertise it, do what you do with your marketing to drive people in there to hopefully subscribe and get the free consultation. Now, you can obviously change the tone of this as well, but I think that's quite good. Can you make this sound more professional? Still going to be talking about lawn care, so that's professional expertise. Managing lawn care can be time consuming and frustrating, especially when dealing with persistent issues like weeds or uneven growth. So just by giving little prompts, you can definitely change things up a bit. Now, if you wanted to change things and create an about me page, for an example. So when it comes to web copy, it's not all about the direct pages or your service pages, sales pages. Sometimes you do need, you've got a whole website that needs to be built out. Here we've got Write an About Us section for a family-run barbecue business that emphasizes their 20 years of experience and dedication to quality. So this should actually come up with quite a nice page, I would imagine. At business name, barbecue runs in our family. For over 20 years, we've been perfecting the craft of slow-cooked, mouth-watering barbecue that brings people together. We started as a backyard hobby. What started as a backyard hobby has grown into a full-fledged passion. So that's a great little About Us page. That could also be used on the homepage. So as you can see, ChatGPT just makes it so quick and easy. Obviously, you can customize this to make it a bit more personable. My name is Matt Barrell, and my company name is Smoky Barbecue. We run this business with my wife and 2 children. So you can make it more personable, which is always nice, that people tend to enjoy a more personal experience. So does my wife and 2 children. We've been serving up top quality barbecue for over 20 years. So there you go. You've just come up in, a minute. You've created a great little About Us section, which would really hit home with people. And there you have it. So on a lot of pages, it is a good idea to come up with call to actions. Call to actions are what, as I described up above, your call to action in this case was scheduling a free consultation. Can you please come up with a powerful call to action for this business to try and get customers to make a booking? Now, call to actions don't always need to be providing something free or providing something other than just asking them to call. But what you can do is say, I am offering a 5% discount to anyone that mentions this page. Something along these lines. This will create a call to action that should be discussing this. Ready to indulge in the best barbecue around? Book your table or catering service with Smoky Barbecue today. Mention this page and enjoy a 5% discount on your order. Whether it's a family meal or an event, we'll deliver the smoky, mouth-watering flavors that only 20 years of barbecue mastery can provide. So the word mastery there I don't really like. That's a very generic ChatGPT term. So I would personally change that. But I mean, all businesses are different. Barbecue, mastery, yeah, it might work. Call now to reserve your spot. So there you go. You can create so much website copy so quickly and easily using ChatGPT, and it's smart enough and powerful enough to understand what we want. Now for, what did I call the website? Smoky Barbecue. Smoky Barbecue, can you please create a powerful homepage that will capture our reader? So now for Smoky Barbecue, can you please create a powerful homepage that will capture our reader and make them want to book an event with us? Welcome to Smoky Barbecue, where 20 years of passion meets perfectly smoked flavor. Experience barbecue like never before, crafted with tradition, served with love. At Smoky Barbecue, we've spent over 2 decades perfecting da-da-da-da-da. Whether you're planning a casual visit, what sets us apart, what our customers are saying. Mention this page. That's fantastic. Don't wait, book your event. Okay, so there you go. That's a fantastic little bit of web copy that would work very well at converting people into potential customers. Now, I think that's pretty much it. Depending on exactly what you want to do, I mean, you can go through, you can change the tone of voice as I showed you. But I think for now, I'll leave you to it. That was just a quick video on creating web copy. Thanks for watching.